Archan, and today we're going to be making Teddie's apple cake from the newspaper New York Times. For this recipe, you will need 1 cup of flour, half a cup of vegetable oil, half a cup of sugar. I'm using brown sugar, but you can also use white. 1 egg, and half a teaspoon each of salt, baking powder, ground cinnamon, and vanilla. You will also need 2 apples and 1/3 of a cup of raisins. Let's go! Prepare yourself for this recipe. Make sure you have a 24-hole mini muffin tin. I'm using mini muffins, but you can use a 12-hole normal muffin tin. You will also need to preheat your oven to 180 degrees centigrade. To begin with, you'll need to put your sugar and vegetable oil in a bowl and then whisk it for 5 whole minutes. I'm lucky I have an electric whisk. After a serious amount of whisking, my mixture now looks like this. It's very silky and it's less gritty. After that serious amount of whisking, my mixture now looks like this. It looks a bit more silky. Now, you crack an egg in. There we go. Make sure you haven't got any shells in there. Pick them out if you need to. Now, you carry on this whisking until your mixture turns into a creamy substance. After about 4 minutes, the mixture looks like this. A good way to test if your mixture is ready is to scoop up the mixture and see if it makes ribbons. I think that's pretty good. So after putting your batter away, you'll need to start peeling and chopping your apples into cubes about this big. If you're not sure how to chop an apple, here are some tips. To start, around the center, you should just go off center and cut down like this. And do that all the way around. Right, and then you're left with this. That can go in this. Also, always remember to cut your apple on the flat side. Cut it like this, it will wobble around and it's hard to cut, and it's potentially a danger for your fingers. Always cut an apple on the flat side. These are our dry ingredients, which is the flour, salt, cinnamon, and baking soda. I've mixed them together. And this is the oil, sugar, and eggs whisked up. And this is our vanilla extract, and I'm going to put a couple drops in here. Not much. There we go. And now we're going to add these dry ingredients to this bowl. And then mix that together, and then you'll begin to have your apple cake batter. So once that's combined all together, we can add our fruits, which is apples and raisins. And those can go straight in. Perfect. And then we shall continue to mix. So once the batter is beautifully combined and every apple is coated in this mixture, you should get out your 24 mini muffin tin or 12 normal muffin tin from earlier, and then got some batter on the floor. And then grease it and sprinkle some flour so then the muffins don't stick and it doesn't become a huge apply mess. Then serve up your muffins. Put an equal amount of the butter into each one. Just like that. Ta-da! Here are our 24 mini muffins. So now you should carry them over to your oven and stick them in there for 20 minutes for the mini muffins. And if you're doing normal size muffins, you should stick them in for half an hour. Oh wait, yep, I put it here. Okay. So here we have our professional taste tester, my father. He is going to try my apple muffins.
That looks delicious. Yummy.
That's
That is
very nice.
really nice.
Mummy, will you try them?
Sure.
That is delicious.
Not very sweet at all.
But very nice.
Mm.
And there you have it. Teddie's marvellous apple muffins, made by Chef Archan himself. And approved by the taste tester, Teddie. So they must be delicious. Hope you enjoyed this recipe, and join us for more later.